What's up guys, in today's video we are going to be checking out a trade which I took today. It's going to be a trade recap video. So let's straight get into the trade recap. So that this was the trade I took today morning. Let me open up a new chart. Okay, let us look at the breakdown on why I took the trade. Alright, let's start off from D1. If we look at D1, we can see that price is coming off of a D1 FVG. Okay, we can see here this is the FVG which price is coming off of, and this is our draw on liquidity. And we can expect higher prices from this D1 FVG. Okay, so coming off of this D1 FVG, I scaled down to H1 to see if we had any sharp turn in H1. Okay, first initially we did have a H1 sharp turn here, right? But we did not get an entry in M5, so I did not take this trade. Okay, we did get a sharp turn on this D1 FVG, but we could see that price respected this swing high here and it rejected, sweeping the low, right? And after sweeping the low, price formed a sharp turn to the upside in H1, right? So this was the area of my entry. When price formed this H1 FVG, price had formed this H1 FVG. So based on this H1 FVG, I scaled down to M5 to see if there was any trade, and we could see that in M5 there was a is the H1 FVG. In M5 we could see that price had formed an order flow to the bullish side, order flow movement. Okay, I call this the order flow turn, and my entry was over here. Okay, I saw that based on this H1 FVG there was a M5 sharp turn. Okay, there was M5, not only sharp turn, there was a order flow turn. Why is it an order flow turn? Because you see first time price broke this level, broke the previous high, and then price retraced and it formed another it formed a fair value gap to the upside, breaking this previous high again. So this is an order flow upward movement. My entry was over here. I placed a buy over here and targeting a 1 to 2. So this was my entry and price went on to take profit. I'd say this is it's a good trade, I believe, and it fulfilled all my requirement. So that is all for today's trade recap video, and here's a screenshot of my MT5 chart of the trade I took and the result. Right, I took this trade on my prop account. Okay, the account is still in challenge phase and it's currently up 4% as of this trade. As this trade hit TP, I'm up 4%. Right, so I will be posting the updates of that account as well on how is the update on or the progress on the account. So do stay tuned and we'll see you all in the next one.